I lost 8 kgs in 2 months without going to the gym. But if I only told you how, I'd be lying to you because the reason I started is a little embarrassing. Since my childhood, I was overweight. I was a really fat kid. And you can literally tell how an external environment can make you feel about yourself, your body, how you perceive yourself. Also, when your health doesn't support you. I was diagnosed with PCOS back in 2019, maybe. And because of that, I had a lot of hormonal fluctuations and मेरा weight बहुत drastically बढ़ रहा था. So because of that also I was overweight. Being in a state physically can also affect your health so much. And बचपन से ही मेरा मेटाबॉलिज्म भगवान की दया से काफी नीच रहा है सो खाना तो छोड़ो मुझे पानी भी लगता था ठीक है दिस वाज एन ओवरव्यू ऑफ हाउ आई वाज बैक इन माय चाइल्डहुड बट द स्टोरी स्टार्ट्स इन माय लास्ट ईयर ऑफ कॉलेज फोर्थ ईयर and I was in my lowest phase of life. I was failing in friendships. I was not having a good time. My family was going through a toll. My father was diagnosed with cancer. बस सिर्फ एक इंसान था. The one person that I used to talk also wanted to end things. And everything was going haywire. सब कुछ खराब हो चुका था मेरी जिंदगी. Basically, I had hit my rock bottom. And literally मेरे पास कोई नहीं था उस टाइम पे बात करने के लिए with whom like I can have a हार्ट टू हार्ट. बाहर तो छोड़ो मेरे घर पे ही ऐसी सिचुएशन चल रही थी दैट माई माइंड वॉज लिटरली अंडर द बेड. सिंस आर कॉलेज वॉज एंडिंग तो मेरे पास सिर्फ 4 महीने थे और हमारा फेयरवेल था इन मई. although I did it in 2 months, but 4 महीने में मुझे दिखाना था. I wanted to change so much that that person would regret rejecting me, and I hated rejections. Everybody does, but I did it for a man. The motivation was toxic, but at least it got the work done. And this was just a part of my motivation. My motivation was also to put myself into a place where I could change myself and just drift away from that loneliness. तो मुझे कॉलेज से निकलने से पहले दिखाना था that look what she's become. मैंने कभी जिंदगी में साड़ी पहनी नहीं थी. So wearing a sari in the farewell has to be my moment. The first time I wear a sari has to be my farewell, and उस टाइम पे मुझे जो दिखना था I had to do it for myself. You can call it a dress up for revenge. Mother Taylor said it and I did it. Although the reason was petty, but the version I became, I'm really proud of that. And I really feel that every person who is once overweight or has faced body shaming has undergone this transformation. It's not you. आपको तो फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा होगा. Yes, it has medical obligations. Yes, I know that. But people, I mean, treat you so differently. Yeah, this was my reason to actually lose weight. And with that, let's move on to the how part. तो मैंने बता ही दिया है कि द फर्स्ट step of doing anything in life, be it weight loss, be it anything you want to achieve, you need a why. कि भैया तुम्हें करना क्यों है. Definitely there has to be a root, there has to be a reason why you need to do that thing. मेरे लिए it was my past experiences, my childhood experiences, plus I was affected by the rejections कि मुझे उनको करके दिखाना था कि देख क्या मिस किया तूने. Similarly for you, you need to have a reason why you need to do something, because ट्रस्ट मी मोटिवेशन उतना काम नहीं करेगा जितना तुम्हारा रीजन काम करेगा. बिकॉज रीजन इनडायरेक्टली विल गिव यू दैट मोटिवेशन कि तुम्हें करना है ये. भाई मेरे साथ क्यों होता है ये. जब मैं पूरा ज्ञान दे देती हूँ उसके बाद मुझे रियलाइज होता है कि डैम वॉइस क्वालिटी तो निहायत ही घटिया है. मुझे लग रहा है ऐसे बात करनी चाहिए थी मुझे तो शायद आप लोग मेरी बातें सुनो. आई गेस हमें यहीं से आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा. इट्स रियली सब्जेक्टिव. हर की बॉडी टाइप बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंट होती है बट द ग्राउंड रूल्स रिमेन द सेम. विद दैट द सेकंड रूल इज कंसिस्टेंसी डिसिप्लिन. ये कुछ चीजें हैं बहुत ही क्लीशे चीजें हैं जो लोगों को लगता है कि यस हर कोई इसके बारे में ज्ञान देता है बिकॉज यस इट इज द थिंग दैट एक्चुअली वर्क्स. डिसिप्लिन कंसिस्टेंसी ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स लोग सही बोलते हैं बिकॉज इसके अलावा आप नहीं कर सकते हो कुछ भी. यू नीड टू हैव सर्टन रूल्स बिकॉज देयर इज नो ग्रोथ इन comfort. So in my weight loss journey there are mainly three things that helped me: my diet, my exercise and my sleep. Let's start with what a day in my life look like. And trust me मैंने बहुत बार ट्राई किया है. In 22 years of my life at least 20 साल तक तो मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया है कि मैं वेट लूज कर लूं. बहुत चीजें मैंने ट्राई करी है बट इट नेवर हैपेंड बिकॉज मैं 2 दिन करती थी मैं तीसरे दिन छोड़ देती. सो आई वॉज नॉट कंसिस्टेंट और either I was not disciplined or either I did not know what my goal was. I started my day with taking this drink जिसमें I used हल्दी, कच्ची हल्दी, सौंफ, जीरा, half a lemon squeezed and a little bit of black pepper. Before eating anything, I would drink this because this drink actually curbs your cravings. मतलब मेरे लिए तो it was helpful. I was on an intermittent diet and it really worked for me because generally मैं breakfast खाती नहीं हूँ. If you have breakfast, then आपको अपनी lunch और dinner की calories बहुत ज़्यादा maintain करनी पड़ेगी in order to like include your breakfast in your entire calorie count. The next thing, you need to be well versed with your maintenance calories. आप जाके online check कर लो calorie calculator पे and put all the information that's required. That calculator will give you your maintenance calories. I mean, my advice is to start with 1200 to 1300 calories per day if you're aiming to lose weight. मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा strict पे थी. मैंने तो अपना दिन का calorie count 1000 रख रखा था. Since I was also on intermittent fasting, but 1200 to 1300 is a decent amount to have healthy weight loss. Second thing, आप कोई भी seeds का mix ले लो. I used to eat spoonful of that seed mix every day after I used to drink my drink. उसके बाद the next thing I used to do was my exercise. I had no gym membership. मैं जो करती थी घर पे करती थी. आप 3 किलो या 5 किलो के डंबल ले लो और एक योगा मैट ले लो and you're good to go. 30 to 40 minutes I used to do weight training in the morning. It basically was a mix of weight training exercises and then Pilates. So ये मैं 30 से 40 मिनट करती थी. I followed circuits और वही 4-5 circuits मैं रोज करती थी आधे घंटे तक. So first was my glute circuit, then was my core circuit, and third was my leg circuit. And alternatively, I used to do some shoulders and hand exercises. Done with the morning routine और उसके बाद मैं सीधा lunch करती थी. So for lunch, I had one katori of dal, एक कटोरी सब्जी, एक कटोरी दही and one roti and a lot of salad. For diet, I'll give you an overview. Basically, आपको अपने carbs का portion कम रखना as compared to your protein and fats, and take a lot of vegetables, raw vegetables, leafy vegetables, be it spinach, broccoli, cucumbers, tomatoes. More than roti, focus on sabzi, eating sabzi. Morning, I used to do weight training and evening, I used to do cardio. And cardio में मेरा goal था 10 के steps तो नहीं हो पा रहे थे, but I used to do 8 steps. It had a mix of walking and jogging, but I never missed that goal. I never. मैं जब भी घर आती थी तो मेरे 8000 से ज़्यादा ही होते थे steps. During your entire day, choose to walk as much as you can. Go for a walk after lunch. Travel to nearby places walking. जो भी है आप जितना walk कर सकते हो हर जगह उतना it's better for you. Lunch में I could have like roti and chawal, but dinner में मैं सिर्फ salads खाती थी या anything that would not contain roti या chawal. Next thing is very important. You need to have the dinner max at 7. 7 से लेट मैं कभी नहीं करती थी. 7 से 8 बजे के बीच में आप अपना खाना खा लो. Water intake. I used to drink 3 liters of water per day. This is a hack that worked for me. So whenever you have cravings, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा gonna be tough कि दूसरे लोग तो आपका चटपटा खाना खा रहे हैं and you're on a diet. So whenever you're having cravings, drink water. ट्रस्ट मी, आप पानी पी जाओ, आपका पेट भर जाएगा, आपका दिमाग ऑटोमेटिकली स्विच ऑफ हो जाएगा, उस चीज से डाइवर्ट हो जाएगा. द नेक्स्ट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज योर स्लीप, आपका रेस्टिंग फेज. यू नीड टू हैव एटलीस्ट 7 to 8 hours ऑफ स्लीप फॉर रिकवरी. क्योंकि आई यूज टू डू वेट ट्रेनिंग फॉर 5 days अ वीक एंड जो कार्डियो था वो मैं 6 दिन करती थी एंड संडे वॉज माई रेस्ट डे. देर हैज टू बी अ बैलेंस बिटवीन योर वेट ट्रेनिंग एंड योर रेस्ट बिकॉज अदरवाइज यूर गोना क्रैश आउट. एक बार क्रैश आउट हुआ और आपका सारा मोटिवेशन लूज हो जाएगा. सो रेस्ट इज इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट एज योर एक्सरसाइज. अगेन देर आर सम स्मॉल थिंग्स दैट आई वुड लाइक टू फोकस ऑन. पहली चीज की टेक photos of your progress every day because that's eventually going to make you feel happy about yourself that yes you're achieving something. And for cheat meals, I know you're waiting for that. हर संडे एक चीट मील बनता है. देर इज नो हार्म, देर इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन ईटिंग वट एवर यू फील लाइक एवरी संडे, बट for the week you really have to control your cravings. To see results you have to follow the process in order to get to the goal. To be honest, you learn so much in the process. मैं भी और लोग भी 50 बातें आपको आके बता देंगे. That's the basic that you require to start anything, but what you learn in the process about yourself, about what you really want, is your journey. It's your space that you build for yourself. You really need to be aligned with your goal. आपको कभी results दिखेंगे, आपको कभी results नहीं दिखेंगे, but this is the part of the process. Patience is the key and your hard work is the key. That's it. You need to have goals that are bound to happen in a fixed timeline. दैट्स बेसिकली द पर्पस ऑफ हैविंग गोल्स। ऐसा नहीं है कि हाँ मुझे 5 किलो वजन कम करना है बट आपको पता नहीं है कितने टाइम में करना है, आपको उसके लिए क्या करना है। That's not how it works. Build yourself a plan and stick to it. That's all you need to do. Having said that, patience and consistency are the key. Nothing can beat these, and do not aim for fast results क्योंकि उसका कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला है. They're just going to create a mess in your life inside your body. Slowest is the fastest process. And to be honest, everything is going to test your patience no matter what. तुम कुछ भी कर लो, हर एक चीज जिसका तुम्हें रिजल्ट चाहिए इज गोइंग टू टेक टाइम एंड इज गोइंग टू test your patience. So you need to trust yourself, have trust. Even if you're not seeing results, you have to trust yourself that yes, you're gonna make it one day. That's it for the video, and I hope you liked it, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something from it. क्योंकि आपको हजारों वीडियो मिल जाएंगी इंटरनेट पे how to lose weight, but more than losing weight, I think it's a journey in itself. It's something that you go through, and when you have finally achieved that, you feel so content in yourself that yes, I did it. मैं बहुत ज्यादा ज्ञान दे रही हूँ क्या यार, बट मुझे बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है. Maybe somebody out there really needed this, can really help himself or herself with what I'm saying. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and thanks for staying till here. It really means a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.